This is a 2003 Yamaha Blaster. It's pretty much stock. It has a dyno port, full exhaust, Nerf bars, IPT whole shot back tires. Just another view of the pipe. Other than that, it's pretty much stock.
This is my 2004 Predator Troy Lee Edition 500. It's got Fox podium shocks all the way around, Nerf bars, Razor R tires front back. Got some grips going on there. Other than that, it's stock exhaust, everything.
This is a 2001 Yamaha Warrior. It's pretty much stock. It's got the DG front bumper, handguards, painted frame, gold, spider back tires, stock.